Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about up to 3 PhD research fellowships in religious studies. So if your background is related to religious studies, then there are 3 PhD positions on scholarship available in VIC Specialized University Norway. Okay, here we can see committed to humanity locally and globally. VIC Specialized University undertakes education and research in the field of health, social science, education science, management, diaconia, theology. They offer approximately 60 programs of study as bachelor, master's, PhD degree. Our ambition is to become a university by 2028. With about 6,000 students, 600 employees, and VIC is the biggest private school of higher education in Norway. We find our 4 campuses: Oslo, Bergen, Stavanger, Sandvika, Tromsø. We have also decentralized schooling at Helgeland. So this is the very good scholarship opportunity in Norway. Now we can take a look what kind of requirements they need from us. They say that about the position, they say that Center of the Mission and Global Studies VIC Specialized University offer up to 300% position as PhD research fellow in religious studies for a period of 3 years. Research group VIC aims to connecting PhD research products to the activities of already existing research groups. Our research group focus on research of high quality cooperation with other academic institutions and academic publication in relevant research fields. Okay. Here they say the qualification and personal abilities. Person should have a master's degree in religious studies, history of religion, comparative religion, sociology of religion, anthropology of religion, psychology of religion, theology, or other fields of study relevant to the call. Okay, and grades of master's thesis and relevant grades of master's program must correspond to B or higher mark to be considered. Good written and oral presentation skills in English, ability to work targeted independently, ability to carry out complete major tasks. Okay, and also you need to provide project description, maximum of 3,500 words. What they offer: opportunities of academic development with high qualified and committed colleagues, membership in the state pension plan. Wow. The position is balanced under code 1017 PhD. They will provide about this amount every year. It's a huge amount. So application should include CV, diploma supplements, transcripts, and project description. These 5 documents you need to submit along with your application. Deadline is this one. Still you have a lot of time to apply. And then simply you need to click here, apply now. After you click on apply now, then you will come on that page, okay, and then simply apply for this job, and that's it. And if you have any question related to application procedure or how to apply, if you are applying and you want to know something about any application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.